identifying the right strategy during the right time, right? When we're in a period like this where we're seeing, market gyrations, the skew, which is a whole nother conversation, the put skew that we've seen just so incredibly out of whack, there's a time for certain strategies. There's also a certain time when the VIX is trading 15 or 16 and we're seeing things, much calmer
Mhm.
to get to the same end result with different strategies. So one of the things that we break down is how do you trade in this environment right now? Whether you're bullish or bearish, okay, that's fine. But how do you trade this volatility? And so the answer is yes. So I will tell you that over the last, week or two, we've been trading a lot of risk reversals. We've been trading a lot of iron condors, selling premium, especially bullish iron condors. Many people think that an iron condor is just a neutral trade, and rightfully so, because it can be, but it can also be a directional trade. It can be bullish or bearish as well, where you're still looking for a range. And so in this environment, we are looking to capture credits. We are looking to capture option premium, all the while being 100% risk defined, which you can still do even in this kind of marketplace.
Okay. Can I just put you on the spot here and
Please.
ask you what some of your trade plan might be for oil?
Yeah,
Or oil
absolutely. XO
stocks, if
so
that's better?
so we've been focusing really on XOP from
Okay.
'cause from the equity side of things. XOP, rather than just diving into one particular stock or rather than trading futures, we have been focused on this ETF, which is very, very representative of oil futures. And we've been short over the last couple of days, even through the massive overnight swing. We've been long put spreads with XOP trading up at 164, 165 area. So this morning we will probably look to cover some of that. And if we get a rally back up, I will put on more put spreads. And I think it's just a great opportunity because this is one of the things you look at and say, okay, from a technical standpoint, there's nothing up here, right? How
Mhm.
can you short it? It's kind of one of those feels, if you will. If you do go back to, I think, all the way back to like 2022 or so when we saw these spikes, and a lot of them were during the beginning of the Russia Ukraine event, the beginning of that. We do see that there is actually some resistance up here,
Mhm.
XOP.
Mhm.
So how do we play that? Obviously, option premium, very, very expensive. So you have to be careful if you're buying premium here. But what we were doing is buying butterflies and buying broken wing butterflies. And a strategy like that, although it might sound, that it's, oh my God, if I'm a new trader, I can't trade something like that. Really, what that type of strategy does is hedge the volatility risk, but give me the directional risk. So that's really where we have been at in the oil space.